Hi everybody, it's Tina. Just got home from work and I'm going to have a little snack. I have just got some water. I already had some, I was thirsty. And I have some salsa and some chips. Let's have a drink. Oh, that's refreshing. Well, get yourself a little snack and eat with me. Looks really good. This is the salsa that I'm using. It's medium heat. So I worked for a couple hours and I went to Giant Eagle where I got the chips and salsa. I also got some pretzels. I got the Minis Originals and I got the sticks. They were on sale for $1.99, $1.99 each. And I also got some Cheez-Its. I think these were $4.29. I forget. And I got my little wax melts on today. If you like wax melts, this is called blueberry cheesecake. It smells really good. I really like this scent. A friend of ours used to sell Scentsy, and I bought a bunch of melts from her. I need to use them up. I hope you all are doing well today. I had a productive afternoon. I worked very hard. Not really, I lied. I didn't work hard, but I was productive. Anyway, I have a little word for you today. I came across this years ago and my daughter posted it on Mother's Day for me. It's just a small little, a few words. It says, there is a light that shines even at night or at your darkest hours. That is so true. There's always a bright light at the end of the tunnel. I hope you like my fireplace. I really enjoy having that on the TV. It's very relaxing. So what drink are you having today? Or just having water? Well, I think I'm going to let you go and I will be back a little later. I'm going to take a break and enjoy my fireplace and my snack. And take care. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.